Hi, my name is Catherine Wendt with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about an interesting trend that we have seen, and it's a little disconcerting, so I want to kind of give you an update on it, and it reminds me of another story. So this has to do with insurance renewals, specifically for our IT companies. So many years ago, there was a time when the CPAs, when they would come in for the tax compilation at the end of the year and go through the financials and produce the financials for the bank and such, all of a sudden they started coming in with a big bunch of questions about the IT systems and the network systems. And we love our CPAs and what they do is wonderful, but they weren't computer people, so it seemed a little bit odd at the time. Now we're seeing kind of a growing trend of insurance companies coming in and asking IT-related questions. Now, some of them are about being able to be insured well and making sure you're doing your job and protecting things. So first and foremost, we want to thank the insurance companies for stepping up and helping us encourage our clients to set up MFA and other security measures, which are so important nowadays. Safeguard for our clients obviously impacts the insurance companies since they're writing those cybersecurity policies and such. So that is totally appropriate. So thank you for that, and thank you for bringing some of those clients to the table that we've been encouraging them to do this for a while, and now basically the insurance companies are saying we can't renew the policy unless these things are in place. So what's happening? So some of the insurance companies are implementing a new revenue stream. They're going in as part of the insurance renewal and running a scan on the network. Then they bring back the results, and there may be some things that come back with some warnings or that don't look quite right. And so what they offer to do is to get their MSP in, to get those remediated, because they won't be able to write the insurance renewal until those are done. So a couple of things are wrong with that statement there and that scenario. First of all, for many of our clients, they've got their servers in the Azure cloud. They're using SharePoint for their data. They may not even have a network in the traditional sense, and many computers are off-site, laptops, people working at home. So these scans don't really encompass the entire IT systems that most of our clients are actually using right now. So that's one of the problems with it. The second is, why wouldn't you give the results to the customer to take to their managed service provider, their IT company, to either remediate, address, or debunk based on how their systems are set up? That would be the first place to start. So why are they insisting it goes to their MSP? Well, there are two revenue sources here. The new IT company that they're using obviously has a new client and will pay a commission to the insurance agency for that lead. And secondly, we are finding that these insurance companies are actually licensing some of the security software, and now they've got a recurring revenue source for the licenses you now have in place to remediate what was found in the scan. So that might sound a little bit confusing, but basically it is a commission and some ongoing revenue then for the insurance company, the way they're setting these up. So all the details about this are in our article from, let's see, our November 2022 newsletter. It's also right below this video, so feel free to take a look. Here's what we'd just like to share with you. When your insurance company is doing the renewals, if they want to run a scan, totally understandable. Bring the scan back to your IT group who really knows how you're using technology. And for those questionnaires that they ask you to fill out, please don't guess and put things in there. Let us help you fill out those applications. If you've misstated something, future claims could be denied based on the information you put in there. So let us help you with that. Thanks for your time, and have a safe rest of your week.